Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And today I'm here to review an eyeshadow palette for you guys. And this eyeshadow palette comes from the drugstore. So I'm super excited to review it for you guys. And as you know it by the title, I'm talking about the Nykaa Eyes on Me 10 in 1 eyeshadow palette. Yes guys, it looks something like this. And I have this one in the shade Sundowner Stunner. Yes guys, so this one comes in 5 shades and I have this one in the shade Sundowner Stunner. It looks really pretty and I had to choose between 5 shades and I loved this one the most, so I got my hands on this one. And it is from the drugstore range. Like they have Nykaa eyeshadow palettes as well, but they were quite on the expensive side, and this comes at the price range of rupees 599 only, which is great. So I definitely got my hands on this one and I was really excited to see and try this. So yep, here it is, and I'll also review it for you guys. I have been using this palette for quite some time now. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, as mentioned, this one retails at the price range of rupees 599. This is quite on the affordable side as compared to other eyeshadow palettes, and it also comes in this cardboard packaging. The packaging looks really pretty. I especially love this Sundowner Stunner font and everything. The whole design is really pretty and I kind of like it a lot. And we're just gonna open it. It is easily available on any Nykaa store or on the Nykaa's website online, so you can easily get your hands on it from there, both online and offline, if you have the offline store in your city. So as we open this palette, it looks something like this. Yes you guys, it comes in this clear packaging, which is in a way very good because you're able to see all the shades from above, and it becomes really handy while you're storing the palettes. And it has obviously 10 eyeshadow shades in it, though the packaging is more of plasticky and really flimsy. We get this extra brush. It is practically of no use while you use these eyeshadows. I only use it to apply eyeshadow on my inner corner or just to highlight my brow bone. Apart from that, it's of no use. And yeah, it's kind of, this packaging is very flimsy, it's very plasticky, so there are very high chances that it will just break if it falls or anything. From the inside, the eyeshadow shades look something like this. I have been using these shades for quite some time now, as you can see, and yeah, that's how they look. So as you can see, this palette majorly has more of pinky plumish tones, and I really kind of crush on such colors, so I got my hands on this one. It has both matte and shimmer shades into this. Like there are 1, 2, 3, 4 eyeshadow shades out of 10 which are absolutely matte. They also have these shimmer shades going on which are extremely pigmented. I'll be showing you all the swatches right now. And yep, this was the reason that I got my hands on this eyeshadow palette. And without any further ado, let me show you all the hand swatches of this eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it has both a few light shades and a few darker shades. It has different kinds of shimmers also available. The one thing missing in this palette is that it doesn't have any highlighting shade available, which is perfect to highlight your brow bone or your inner corner of eyes. So I kind of missed that thing in this, but apart from that, it mostly is a complete package. And yeah, as you saw from the eyeshadow swatches, the shimmers were so buttery. They blend in really well. They are extremely pigmented. There's definitely a lot of kick off and obviously some fallout as well. But having said that, the shadows quality is really nice, and if they are pigmented and they blend really well, so it does the work for me, and I'm kind of happy. This palette is perfect for any beginner out there, a beginner like me. Also, I'll be creating a video where I'll be sharing different looks that I created using this palette. Yes guys, this palette I feel is very versatile, and I created 3 different eye looks using just this palette, and I'll soon be uploading that video just for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload next. And yep, I'll definitely be sharing complete in-depth tutorial on how I went ahead to create 3 versatile looks using just this one palette. Talking about the price point of this palette retails in rupees just 599, which is great according to me considering the quality of all these eyeshadow palettes, and it's extremely light and very travel friendly. So yep, according to the price point and the quality, I feel it's really worth it. And here I would like to share a tip with you guys. Do grab your hands on this palette if you want during the Nykaa sales. During the Nykaa sales, I believe this palette is somewhere on the discount of 25% off, which is crazy. So you can definitely get your hands on this palette during the sale time if you want to purchase it, so that you get it even in a lesser price, which would be a steal deal. Talking about the longevity of these eyeshadows, what I have seen from my experiences, after an hour or two, the shimmers tend to just smear off and they actually lose their color. They definitely do not just disappear from your eyes, they do stay there, but they definitely reduce down a lot, which is not a very great thing, but still they leave a very beautiful shade on your eyes, what I have seen. So this palette is vegan, cruelty free, no animal testing has been done, and this is dermatologically tested, which is a great thing. So guys, summing the complete review for this eyeshadow palette, this palette is very travel friendly, firstly. Second, the eyeshadows are very easily blendable. Third, they are extremely pigmented, the shimmers are to die for. Fourth, the price point at which it retails is great for the quality and the product you get. Fifth, it's cruelty free, it's dermatologically tested, it's vegan, which is a big yay. Talking of the cons of this product, the packaging is kind of flimsy, it's very plasticky, and it also doesn't support a mirror over here. Although for the price point that it retails in, we cannot really ask a lot, but still, having said that, the packaging is really flimsy, which is a big con. Secondly, it does have a lot of kickback and some amount of fallout, so if you are not a very big fan of it, you might not like it. Like, there's not a lot of fallout, but there is some fallout. Third point being, which is not a very big con, but still they do not really have a highlighting shade used for inner corners or the eyebrow bone, which I easily highlight using my highlighter, but still it doesn't have that one. So yes guys, that is a 5 versus 3 list of advantages versus disadvantages. If you feel you should get your hands on this one, you can definitely get it from Nykaa. And this video by no chance was sponsored. I wish it was, but it isn't. And this was my complete honest review of this product. And I will be soon sharing 3 eyeshadow looks which I have created using just this palette. So stay tuned for them, and please subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. Also let me know in the comments down below your reviews on this palette, or if you would want me to review more such eyeshadow palettes for you. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.